Hi, my name is Moni and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I share videos on how you can have a smooth and healthy looking skin using the things you can find around you. So please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to leave a thumbs up after you've watched my videos. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use banana to have a smooth and flawless skin. And I'm going to be showing you two methods of doing that. But before I get right into the video, I'm going to be sharing the benefits of using banana on your skin regularly. One of the major benefits of banana is that it helps your skin to look beautiful instantly, and it also reduces the puffiness around your eye. It moisturizes the skin and makes your skin look brighter immediately. So aside from using banana on my skin, another thing I use it for is to soak it in water and use the water on my plants. I notice that anytime I do that, my plant flourishes and it grows healthily. For the first method, we are going to be using only banana peel. So instead of throwing your banana peel away after eating, you can take the banana peel and rub on your face. It is very good. It moisturizes the skin. It makes the skin look smooth instantly. Ever since I found out the benefit of using the banana peel on my skin, I don't throw away the peel. So you just use it on your face like this, and you wait for about 30 minutes and you rinse it off. That's all. So now I'm going to show you the next method.